Adam here with Brooksaw Antiques. Today we have this 1937 Royal O model vintage portable typewriter. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. Super glossy, nice paint, still really good condition. Up top behind this flip panel are the margins, and you just push the button like that and you can move them. I'm going to set this left one around 0 and the right one around 75. That's about the length of a page. And this is the paper bale that sits on top. It's got 2 adjustable rollers, and these are brand new 3D printed. It's also got brand new feeder rollers and brand new feet, all decked out, ready to go. And you can find all of that stuff in my shop. I'll put the links if you're watching this from YouTube in there. Otherwise, you'll just have to find my shop on eBay or Etsy, Brooksaw Antiques. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. You hit this line space, gets you back to the beginning, and skips 1 or 2 spaces. Right now we have it on single, but if you want double, you just flip this switch forward and it skips 2. We're going to keep that on single for now and finish typing. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence in red on the next line. To switch from black to red, there's a switch on the right side here. You flip that over to the left side. There's a red dot that indicates you're printing the bottom portion of the ribbon. When you have it in the middle, it prints the top portion of the ribbon, which is black. And when you move it down and over all the way to the right, it doesn't print any ink at all. It just leaves a stencil for copying purposes. So we're going to move that all the way over to print red. Beautiful typing machine. Very pleasant to type on. It's got really nice print. Everything looks really good. And the typewriter itself looks beautiful. The feel and the touch of the keys feels very classic, but at the same time, it feels like it's going to be heavy a little bit, but it's not. It's really smooth and it just responds. It just feels good typing on this. To pull the page out easy, there's a switch on the right side here. You flip it forward and it unlocks the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to pull the page out easier, load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. Make sure you flip that back before you load the next page or else it won't load correctly. We're going to move the color back to the middle to print the top portion of the ribbon. Shift on each side and a shift lock on the left. To clear that, just hit the shift button again. Backspace on the top right. Very good. Margin release on the top left. When you get to the end of the margin, there's a mechanism that blocks you from printing. Hit that margin release button. It will allow you to go all the way to the end. In the middle here is touch control. The farther right you go, the more tension there is when you hit the keys. You have to hit them a little bit harder for them to print, but they respond faster the less tension you have when you have it all the way to the left. I like that low tension. Still very fast on low tension. This is your, if you open the hood here, you can access the spools. This is the left side. This is where all the brand new ribbon is loaded on, so it's pulling to the right. If you want to switch that direction, you just flip this switch here, and it'll pull counterclockwise to the left, flip it right, clockwise to the right, and that's the direction we want it to go. Right side behind the knob is the carriage release, extremely smooth. This typewriter is ready to go, all tuned up, feels super good, and it looks super good. Got all new rollers and feet except for the platen. The platen's not new, but it's in really good condition. This is your left carriage release behind the knob, and if you push in this button, it disables the spacing so you can get to an exact spot on the page. You let it go, you get those clicks. Each one of those clicks is 1 space, in the same concept with the lever all the way on the top. You flip it forward and it disables the spacing. You flip it back and you get the clicks. And that's it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.